So how do you demonstrate your attentiveness to someone? You're really giving them your attention when speaking, but without violating their personal space. Because, hey, cultures change. There was a time when going up and giving everyone a hug was acceptable. Patting people on the back, touching them on the knee was quite common. That doesn't necessarily work anymore. I'm not advocating you do that. You got to use your judgment as far as what might be invading personal space. In some cultures, it could be 12 inches. In other cultures, it could be 36 inches as far as how close you get to someone's face. Every culture is a little bit different. But I do want to give you some tools that will work most of the time for most people. One of them is simply give people eye contact. You want someone to feel like you're paying close attention, look at them. And that means don't be looking at your cell phone. Even better, don't have your cell phone on a table in front of you. Don't have it in your hand. Have it hidden. Have it so that it's not visible. I don't know about you, but I get annoyed sometimes. I get together with friends, we're having a conversation, a restaurant or someplace out where there's a meal, and they're staring at their phone. They're multitasking. It's annoying. It's disrespectful. So if you want someone to feel like you're giving them attention, respecting them, and you don't want to do anything that seems like it's violating their physical space. You don't want to be patting them on the back or touching them on the elbow. That's okay. Look at them. Also, nod when they say something you understand. Smile occasionally. Give feedback. Don't just blankly look at them. Give feedback. If you're not sure about something, look like you're quizzical. People need to know that. Ask a question if you're not sure what they're talking about. Ask a question to make sure you actually understand what they're saying. This will make people feel respected and they will not feel violated. Now, again, one size does not fit all in every culture in the world, because there are some cultures where if someone of one gender looks at somebody of another gender in the eye, it can be seen as rude. So I'm not telling you every single principle here works every single time. You've got to know that. But if you are in a culture where that is not frowned upon, then use it. Look someone in the eye, because so many people these days feel like no one's listening to them. Maybe their spouse, their kids at home ignore them, laugh at them. Here they are in a business setting. They're trying to talk about the stuff they work on all day long. And if you also are not listening to them, not even looking at them, they're going to feel disrespected. So you want to look at people. You want to give them the sense that you care about what they're saying. Part of it, lean forward. You don't have to touch them. Again, there are workplace issues that are very different these days from even 5 years ago, 10 years ago. You don't have to physically touch anyone to let them know, hey, I appreciate what you're saying. I'm connecting with you. I might not physically be connecting, but intellectually, I'm connecting with you. Leaning forward, looking at you, nodding, maybe getting a little closer, but not too close. Again, don't want you to violate people's space, but when you're connecting with them and people feel like you're connecting and trying to understand them, they will feel respected, they will like you more, and they're more likely to listen to you as well. If you want to be more successful, then improve your communication skills. The best way to do that? Smash the subscribe button right now.